You're watching Dibber.
Hi there folks, and welcome back. Okay, so today's video is going to be a little bit of a tutorial video, and it's in regards to getting a microphone to work on a Xiaomi Redmi Note 9, and I've been told this is the same issue across the board with all of these Xiaomi phones, okay? That you can't simply just plug an external microphone into them and the camera and software in it record in video mode. It just won't work, okay? You get no audio. I know I've tried multiple different combinations. I've gone into the software of the phone, I've gone into the settings and everything, yeah, and no, I could not get a microphone to work. So I went off around the forums, around YouTube, hunting, see if I could find a solution for this, because everywhere I was going they say you have to download Open Video, you have to download this, you have to download that. What is it? Open Camera, not Open Video, Open Camera. No, that's the only way to get it to work. Well, actually no. You can use the camera and software within this phone, and it's a very easy fix, and you fix it by investing in a splitter cable, yeah. I'll leave a link in the description in the first pinned comment. In fact, I'll leave two links. I'll leave it for a cable, and there's also a solid plug, a Y-shaped plug that you can plug into the bottom of the phone that does exactly the same thing. And basically on this cable you have a socket for your headphones and you have a socket for your microphone, okay? And that is it. That is it. You must make sure you get the right one though. As I say, I'll put a link in description, also in the first pinned comment, where you could get one of these. And also where you can get the Y plug, which does exactly the same thing, okay? Now obviously, yes, I am in the UK, so it will be a UK link for the eBay shop where I'll pick this up for pennies, and it will be obviously UK Amazon for the solid Y plug. I think you can get them on eBay as well, but if you do a search with the description title for these in your country, I'm sure you'll find an equivalent for them, okay? If you're in a different country. So that is what you need. Now obviously a lot of people I've seen, they bought these cables or one of those Y plugs, and they still couldn't get it to work. It still wouldn't work with a microphone. You know, okay, fair dues. A little bit more research. What I discovered was your headphones, hardwired headphones. You have to plug them in to the headphone plug on this lead. Okay, so you have your headphones plugged into one, your microphone, your lapel microphone or whatever microphone you're using, plugged into the other one. Now also a lot of people have said that the Bowyer microphones don't work with these cameras, with these phones, with the software that's in it. Actually they do. What you got to do is with the this little controller here, on the controller it says to have it switched off for smartphones. The problem is with these Xiaomi phones, you actually have to have the controller switched on, okay, and use this lead with it, and it will work. I know it'll work because I've tried and tested it. Also, I've got one of these microphones, which is it's fitted into my crash helmet. I've taken it out just for the benefit of this video. It's exactly the same as a lapel microphone, only this is a bendy one, and it stays in the position, and normally it's fitted inside my crash helmet for when I do my vlogs using my my GoPro. But yeah, it does work with these types of microphones. It works with lapel microphones, it works with the Bowyer microphones, and the simple solution is this cable. That is the fix, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you outside now. I'm going to use this microphone, and I'm just going to show you how good the audio is on this phone using the phone's own software, camera software. The audio is incredible, simply just by using one of these or a lapel microphone. You can also use, like I say, the Bowyer microphone. Unfortunately, my battery is now dead in this one, and I haven't got a spare battery to give you an audio review, but the audio using that is just as good as the audio using that or a normal lapel microphone. So here's a little bit of footage. I hope this video helps. Don't forget the links in the description and the first pinned comment. I'm not here to sort of answer your technical questions, yeah? If you follow what I say to the letter, it'll work. End of story. But don't forget, to get a microphone to work in these leads or the little wire plug, you need to plug in your hard-wired headphones, okay? And then it will definitely work. So here's a little bit of footage of me out in my garden using this microphone with this Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 and this little lead here. Anyway, you all stay safe and I'll catch you another day, another way. Bye now. Right, here we are using the external microphone. It's a little bit of a windy day today, and I don't think you're going to get any wind coming through on this audio with this little microphone. Hope not. But yeah, this is the audio. I'm outside, as you can see, just having a wander around with my lovely motorbike, going out for a little ride in a little while. Yeah, so there you go. This is the external microphone through a Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 using the phone's own software and not having to download any apps like, what is it called, Open Camera or whatever it is. There you go. Lovely jubbly. Anyway, you all stay safe. I'll catch you another day, another way. Lovely.